Kay.
You don't even know what we're here for. You better look up.
Look.
Turn around. God, Kay.
Oh my god! Oh my god, squares!
Hit it.
Hit the mouse.
Hit the mouse. Look over on the left. Tori did it all.
How did y'all get this?
Thanks to all those people, all those names.
Oh my god. Awesome.
Now Tori gets to spend 12 months teaching you how to use it.
Thank you. Guys.
You're welcome.
Here, happy birthday. You got your birthday present early too.
My birthday present.
That seems to be the theme this year. So I better get started if I'm gonna get Kristen's, huh? So anyway, don't lose your thing.